Today we are going to learn headstand, some basic rules and some techniques about headstand. But the thing is, those people has neck pain, any surgery of neck, heart and head, try not to do at home. So other people can do it very easily with the support of wall, or maybe if you have someone to hold you, they can do with the support.
For headstand, we need one mat or blanket. We have to keep the distance between wall and blanket or mat. Before starting, tuck the t-shirt in so it will be more comfortable for headstand. Sit in Vajrasana. Take the distance, one hand distance for headstand from knees to hand, and now you have to interlock the fingers. This part of the head you have to touch to the palm. The other part of the head should touch to the mat or blanket. Then straight your legs. One leg up, balance here for some time. Let your neck get load or pressure. The other leg up. Keep practicing this position for some days or maybe some time. After getting used to, slightly kick. Take one leg support of the wall, other leg will be on air. Keep doing this practice for some days. Once you get balance, slowly raise your leg with support of the wall. Be there for some time. Then next time you can just straight your legs and slowly kick and take support. Other leg straight. Then down. Change the leg. Kick, take support and other leg straight. Keep doing this practice some more days so your neck will be strengthened and you will be able to do balance. Once you proper doing this practice, then again take support. If possible, take off your legs. Maintain the balance as much as you can. Slowly come down and rest your forehead on your fist so your blood flow will be smooth and relaxed. There won't be any pressure. Next time you have to kick with both the legs by using your core strength. You need here little core strength to kick both the legs. Do this practice some days so your core muscle also will get strength. Your neck muscle also will be strengthened. Once you practice daily, slowly take both the legs off the wall. Try to maintain the balance, and then once you fall down, try to again take the support of the wall and again try to maintain the balance. Keep doing this exercise some more days and slowly come down. Rest your forehead on your fist for some time. Then next time again you have to kick with the both legs without taking support if possible. Try not to take support this time. Then maintain the balance. Use your core strength, your neck strength, your elbows strength, and without support try to maintain the balance. Be there for some time, and while coming down, try to come back in the same way where we came from and slowly come down. Definitely you are going to learn this exercise within some days.
If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.